So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can view someone's story on Instagram without them knowing and without any third-party application. Let's dive into it. You first of all don't have to open Instagram, but you first of all have to open your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that, go to the search bar and search here Instagram and hit the search button. And when Instagram app appears up, you gotta tap on that, and you first of all update your Instagram app. If your Instagram application is not up to date, this trick is not gonna work. So this was the first step. So after updating Instagram, just open it, and for example, this is the person I want to view the story of without him knowing. For applying this trick, you have to open the story of neighboring person. For example, this is the story I want to view, and this is the neighboring or the rightmost story of this person. So you have to tap on the neighboring story, tap and hold on that story, and swipe to that side where that story lies. And don't release your hold. And you can see that I can read the story of that person in this way. Just open the neighboring story, tap and hold on that, and half swipe to that story. In this way, I am able to view the story of that person. And if I want to view the neighboring story at the right side, you can do it in this way. And if I swipe down, you can see that the neighboring stories are still unviewed and you have seen them without the person knowing. But in this way, you will only be able to see one story and only one picture, and you won't be able to play the videos posted on those stories. So if you want to view a video posted on the story of someone without that person knowing, a quick video tutorial has been mentioned in the end screen of this video and in the pinned comment of this video and in the description of this video as well. Go watch out that video, and in that way you will also be able to view the videos of your followings posted on their stories without them knowing. So go watch out that video. I'll be waiting for you in that video there. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in that video there.